Hello guys, welcome back in our new video. In this video I am going to install a laptop hard disk into my old PC. By doing it, you can easily upgrade the internal storage of your computer, and you can also get all the data stored in your laptop in your computer. So for connecting the hard disk with your computer, you will need a SATA cable and a SATA power cable. Now you will have to connect these two cables in the laptop hard disk. And if you are new in my channel, then please consider to subscribe, like and share. Now start the computer. So guys, now you can see that local disk G, local disk H and local disk I has been created. So you can use these drives as an internal memory and store anything in these drives. And you can also get all the informations and all the saved data of your laptop through this hard disk in your computer. So thanks for watching. If you're new in my channel, then please consider subscribe, like and share. Thank you.